The plot of James Gunn's The Suicide Squad is still very much a mystery. Here's everything we know about the story of James Gunn's The Suicide Squad. Number 1 is Suicide Squad destroyed a Nazi lab. More details were revealed by Warner Brothers executive in an interview with Empire. According to Safran, while on Corto Maltese, the Suicide Squad had to destroy a Nazi prison and laboratory named Jotunheim. While political prisoners were held and experimentations took place. In the comics, Jotunheim is an old Nazi lab in the fictional country of Kurak, and a terrorist organization named Jihad took over the lab in one key Suicide Squad story. But it's worth noting the plot is likely to be very different from the comics, given Gunn has insisted he's read every single issue of Suicide Squad ever published while working on his script, so it will likely draw inspiration from the entire range. Number 2 is Suicide Squad split in two teams. It's easy to miss, but the Suicide Squad trailer confirms the team actually splits in two. It's unclear whether this will be for operational reasons, but likely the scenario is that the first team gets stranded on Corto Maltese, with a second group sent to back them up because Amanda Waller feels they are out of their depth. Harley Quinn winds up captured, while the Suicide Squad attempting to rescue her. This may be connected to the different squads. Fortunately, it looks as though the rescue is unnecessary because Harley Quinn proves able to break out herself. She seems quite touched that the team came to rescue her and offered to go back in so they can make the rescue attempt. Number 3 is Thinker to be forced with Suicide Squad. The Suicide Squad is introducing Thinker, but the trailer suggests he isn't actually part of the team at all. One scene shows the squad interrogating the Thinker for information, with Rick Flag warning him if the squad fails to complete their mission, he dies. Bloodsport adds that he'll also be killed if he feeds them false information. Naturally, that sets Harley Quinn off, and she insisted he'll also die if he goes for a personalized number plate or if he caught without putting his hand in front of his mouth. The shot is an amusing one, but it suggests the Thinker may start out working for General Luna and that the Suicide Squad capture him and force him to work with them. Number 4 is the Suicide Squad movie features Starro. There's been some speculation the Suicide Squad will feature Starro, a monstrous creature from the comics. The trailer confirmed these theories with the freaking kaiju showing rampaging across Corto Maltese. Starro appears to be lifted straight from the comics in general design, and it may well possess its telepathic and mind control powers as well. It's possible Starro was either held or was being experimented upon in Jotunheim lab. Interestingly, posters for the Suicide Squad suggest a connection between Starro and Mad Thinker, perhaps indicating he has a mental link to Starro. It's quite possible the Thinker is responsible for unleashing Starro, although it would be a surprise to see James Gunn turn our expectations upside down, with Starro ultimately revealed to be an ally rather than an enemy. Only time and the release of more trailers for the Suicide Squad will tell. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.